Hey guys, I'm Shweta and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Wakefit Orthopedic Memory Foam mattresses. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm already in love with the mattresses and there are hundreds of reasons to love it, but I'll conclude in few here. So the number one why I love it is it's made up of foam, so it's quite comfortable. It's neither too soft nor too hard, and that is the best part about it, and that is exactly why I love it. And then coming to the customer service, they have a really great customer service, and if you have any problem with the product or delivery, you can just shoot an email and they will revert you within 24 hours, and that is exactly why I'll give them extra points